Hi everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. So today we will start a new topic, that is mineral resources. Alright, so let's begin. So when we look at a small pen or at the majestic looking marvels of architecture around us, we cannot help but think if rocks did not have minerals, our world would have been unimaginably different, isn't it? So minerals are an important part of our daily lives. So there is hardly anything around us that does not contain any mineral in it. Now minerals are present in all the rocks found in the lithosphere. So rocks are made up of one or more minerals. Alright. Now the amount of minerals present in a rock varies from region to region. Okay. So when we talk about these minerals, so what is this mineral? Alright. Now, a mineral is a naturally occurring solid inorganic substance that has definite chemical composition and structure. So basically all these minerals, they are naturally occurring, and it has many are there which has got its organic form, and few are in organics, and most of them are inorganic substance. Alright, but all these minerals, they have got chemical compositions and their physical structures are also different. Now naturally occurring means that not produced artificially. Okay, these are not produced artificially, and inorganic means that it does not contain carbon from a living source. Alright, now these minerals, as we are there, so these rocks are made up of one or more minerals. Alright, the amount of minerals present in a rock varies from region to region. Now, a rock that has a large concentration of a mineral is called the ore of that mineral. Alright, and from these ore, these different minerals are mined. Alright, so when we talk about these minerals, so let's see some characteristics of different minerals. Okay, so first we have, that is, minerals are non-living, naturally occurring substances that are concentrated in a particular area. Alright, now we all know that these are all non-living and these are all naturally occurring substances. That means there is no human interferences. Alright, and they are concentrated in a particular area. It's not that it's available in all the places. Okay, so it has got its particular areas, and there in each area, each percentage of minerals are found. Basically you can take it in the plateau areas. The percentage of minerals are much more. Alright, now minerals are unevenly distributed over the earth's surface. Yes, we all know this, that it's not that everywhere the percentage of minerals are same. So in each and every places, the percentage of minerals are different. So it's unevenly distributed over the earth's surface. Now next, they are exhaustible in nature. Yes, this is quite natural, that resources which cannot be generated back easily. Okay, exhaustible means resources which cannot be generated back easily. Alright, so these are quite naturally exhaustible in nature. But when we talk about the natural minerals such as coal and petroleum, so they are formed after a long period of time. So it takes a long time to form all these things. So maybe a time will come, if we don't do the sustainable development, if we don't use it judiciously and conserve it for the future generation, a time will come when all different kinds of petroleum products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, all these things will be gone forever. Alright, so it's quite necessary for all of us to conserve it, preserve it, and use it judiciously. So fourth we have, that is, minerals have a definite chemical composition and specific physical properties. Now when we talk about this chemical composition, it means that all the occurrences of a particular mineral, it has got a particular chemical composition. Alright, that varies within a specific limited range. Now every time we see the same mineral, it has the same chemical composition, and that can be expressed by a chemical formula. Now if we take for an example such as mineral halite, that is there, and when it is mined, it's known as rock salt, and it has got a chemical composition. We all know the chemical composition of salt is what? NaCl. Alright, so this way the compounds are groups of molecules and with a definite arrangement, and can only be separated by chemical means. Alright, now every mineral contains a defined ratio of specific molecules in its structure. Now if we take for an example, one water molecule is composed of H2O, isn't it? We all know this. Now 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Alright, so these are all the chemical composition of different minerals. Now if we talk about the specific physical properties, yes, so most of the minerals can be characterized and identified by their unique physical properties. It's like different minerals has got its hardness, luster, color, streak, specific gravity, density is different, crystal habit, and many more features are there, which determines each mineral's each physical characteristics. Alright, so all these are there. And the next one, that is, human beings utilized various minerals for their needs since prehistoric times. That means the ages through which civilization have existed have depended on one or more mineral or the other, and each ages they have been named after the mineral used in that particular age. Now suppose if we take for an example the Stone Age, the Neolithic, Mesolithic, and the Paleolithic age. So in these different ages, people understood the usage of stones and they made different things out of that. Next came the Copper Age. So people utilized, in this age people utilized, they understood the importance of copper and they utilized copper in different means. The same goes for Bronze Age, Iron Age, and Steel Age also. So in each particular age, human beings understood the use of these particular minerals, and that's why all these ages are named after these particular minerals. Alright, now next we have the different classification of minerals. Now minerals can be classified into 2 broad categories on the basis of their formation. First we have, that is, minerals formed through organic means. Alright, now such minerals were formed millions of years ago from the remains of living things such as plants and animals. They are also called mineral fuels or fossil fuels. Alright, now some examples of such minerals are coal and petroleum. So these are formed through organic means. Now next we have, that is, minerals formed through inorganic means. Now such minerals were formed from non-living things. Now they are further categorized into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Now some examples of these minerals are such as, you can take it as iron, copper, gypsum, limestone. So all these comes under this section. Alright, now when we talk about these inorganic means, this first come, that is the metallic minerals. Now metallic minerals are the minerals from which metals such as iron, gold and copper are obtained. Okay, now these metallic minerals are found as ores. Now most of the metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. So that's why these minerals are very hard and they have luster. That is, they have a shining physical property. They are shining and glowing. Okay, now these metallic minerals can be further divided into 2 types. One, we have the ferrous minerals, another we have the non-ferrous minerals. Now as the name suggests, the ferrous minerals are rich in iron content, like iron ore, chromite and manganese. Now when we talk about the non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron but may contain other metals such as copper, silver, lead and gold. Okay, so these things are there. All these things comes under the metallic minerals section. Now next we have, that is the non-metallic minerals. Now the minerals which do not have metallic content in them are called non-metallic minerals. Now these minerals include nitrate, sulfur, mica, talc, salt, coal, all these things. Okay, and these non-metallic minerals, they are generally found in sedimentary rocks. Okay, now some extra informations, that is such, do you know guys, in India there are only 3 working gold mines. Now Hutti and Uti we have in Karnataka, and the Hirabuddini mines in Jharkhand. So these 3 mines, so they meet about 0.5% of the country's annual gold consumption. Alright, so that's it for today. In the next session we will discuss about the mining, methods of mining and the distribution of minerals. Till then, bye bye.